Alexander Dale Arbana Jr. I'm 12 years old and I live in Parañaque City. Starting 7 years old po, nag-homeschool na po ako. But it was very fun and expensive because you get paces and you control your time. So I can exercise in the morning, practice my singing, stuff like that, and then study. I had a teleserye. The feeling of getting on a teleserye, I'm getting very nervous because I gotta pronounce the script right. Aside from TV, meron na po ako nagawang mga commercial. If you're in the commercial, you'll have fun. I think you guys should watch out for me because I have a lot to show to you, and I will make the voice stage my stage.
Wow! Billy Joe, how you doing, Billy Joe?
Kamukha mo nga po, Billy!
Thank you!
I can see myself when I was about 10, 11 years old, man. How you doing?
Patay tayo dyan.
What's your name?
Alex po.
Alex!
Taga saan ka, Alex?
Parañaque po.
Paranaque.
Teka, taga doon din ako dati, ah. Nanawagan ako. Mami? Meron ba kayong hindi sinasabi sa akin ni Daddy?
Patayari.
Oh my God.
I hope there's something different. Tapos biglang, bam, bam, I was like, okay, ito na talaga yung gusto kong ikutan. Song choice pa lang para sa akin, okay na to. May
Kasi
may tapang.
Nag-New York ka din.
Nag-New York
diba?
agad, di ba?
Ay,
Frank
sakto yun.
Sinatra, it was something different. It was a genre na hindi namin ini-expect na apat. You're clever. You chose a different route.
Thank you.
Pero, it was smart. And I'm just super excited for you, Billy Joe.
Ay, pinangalanan.
Alex!
Si Coach Stel nga pala to.
Oh, alam na namin yan.
Itong lane na to, Stelbound to, Stelbound. Kanina may nagpakita ng trophy dito eh.
Sino yan? Walang ganun dito.
Ako tatry ko lang naman kasi actually wala akong dalang trophy dito. Pero meron nandito sa studio na nagsisilbing inspirasyon ko dahil nanatili
Thank you,
akong coach
Stel.
dito.
Alam ko naman akong
Pwede rin naman. Pwede rin. Pero, yung naging inspirasyon ko para magpatuloy as The Voice Coach, andito kasi yung vocal mix, oh.
Wow.
Last season, sila yung nag-champion, tama
ganun ba?
Okay lang naman din sa akin kahit di mo ako piliin. Pero please, ako yung piliin mo.
Kausapin mo rin si Alex. Sige.
Oh my God, sobrang kamukha mo siya, Kuya Bill.
We're twins, bro.
Ayan na, dinidistract niyo yung bata.
Hindi, pero Alex, sobrang happy kami and blessed kami na masaksihan yung nakita naming
That's
performance ngayon.
Yeah.
Sobrang eyes and
happy.
ears, grabe, blessed.
Yeah, sobra,
Hindi lang
Alex.
kami mga coaches, pero lahat ng tao na
Yeah,
nandito sa
tama
studio,
lahat, Alex. Lahat.
Nakaka-proud.
Sobra, nakaka-proud.
Yes. And you know, you're destined to be here.
Yes.
You're born for greatness. Always
I believe
remember
on that.
Ba't ka masabata-sabat?
Hindi, nag-agree ako eh. Sorry. Nadadala lang.
Hindi ako nag-expect Alex pero you know, like,
Yes.
Sabi niya,
Oh,
tapos
di
na
pala
siya
siya
eh.
nag-expect eh. Ako nag-expect.
Ako naman, Alex, kung sino man piliin mong coach, I will be happy for you. I know you're a star. Nandun yung attitude, yung character.
Oh, sinabihan ka, may attitude ka daw.
Hindi. Yung attitude sa pagpa-perform.
Red flag alert.
Red flag alert. Red flag alert.
I just want to say that I enjoyed your performance so much. And kung sino man coach ang pipiliin mo, I know you're in good hands.
Alex, I will ask you one time and one time only. Ito na ang pagkakataon mo. Sana ako piliin mo. Alex, good luck. Sino ang coach na pipiliin mo?
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach si
Nakatingin na sa kay Stel eh.
Coach Stel po.
Congratulations! Welcome to Team Stelbound! Ito, para sa'yo to, Alex. Marami tayong gagawin together. Sobrang excited ako makipagtrabaho sa'yo. Gusto ko ma-meet yung parents mo. Gusto mo pumuntang New York?
Ito. Hoy, gusto mo ma-meet yung parent? Ako yung tatay ngayon. Bakit?
Kuya Billy, gusto na niya pumuntang New York.
I don't care. He's with me.
Thank you, Alex. Congratulations.
Ang galing,
Welcome to
galing na
Team
bata.
Stepbound. Let's go! Welcome! Congratulations!
Grabe, kinabahan ako. Kinabahan ka pa doon? Ang yabang-yabang mo!
Sa wakas ay meron ng pambato ang Team Bilib matapos piliin ng 4-chair turner na si Venice, si Coach Billy. Si Coach Tel naman ang pinili ni na Jenica at Alex. Kaya ngayon ay meron ng 3 bumubuo sa Stelbound. Si Sean naman ang bagong recruit ng Team Jewel Squad na may 3 ng pambato. At si Coach Pablo ay nakakadalawa na rin matapos pumasok sa tropa ni Pablo, si Christina.
Sa lahat po ng tumutok last week at ngayong gabi, maraming salamat po sa mainit yung pagyakap sa The Voice Kids. Kaya salamat din po sa ating musical director, Sir Mark Lopez and his band. As always, maraming salamat. And on behalf of our superstar coaches, ako po si Ding Dong Dantes. Kaya samahan niyo po ulit kami next Sunday as we make more dreams come true in the biggest singing competition in the world. This is The Voice Kids.